In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your activity on Cash App so you can view your payments, deposits, and transaction history in just a few taps. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Cash App on your phone or any device and make sure you are logged in into your account. You will land on the home screen where your balance is displayed. Now, look at the bottom navigation bar depending on the platform you're using. If it's a mobile device, a tablet, or the web version, or on your desktop, tap the clock icon or just go to your activity tab because this section will show you all your recent transactions, including the money sent, money received, direct deposits, card payments. And to see more details, just tap any transaction. If you are able to, you will view the date and time, amount, sender or recipient name, payment status, transaction ID, and if you're looking something for specific, you can scroll or use any available filters depending on your app version or the device you are using. This helps you quickly find payments instead of scrolling endlessly. Now, thing is, if you don't see a transaction, double check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet or you are not using any VPN or proxy, or you need to make sure that you are using the correct Cash App account, or simply refresh the activity page by closing and reopening the app. Or another option is go to the support team and then tell them that you can't find the activity on your account, and they will guide you on some troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Matter of fact, you can go to the search bar, type in activity to see if there are any related article that can help you with. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to check your Cash App activity. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.